All right, let's express tan 750 degrees as an acute angle. All right. Well, an acute angle or acute angle is an angle less than 90 degrees. Okay. All right. So angle less than 90 degrees. Okay. So how do we find the acute angle of tan 50? Sorry, tan 750. Okay. Now before that, where can we locate tan in the quadrant? Okay, and where will the acute angle fall? Okay, so don't forget your cast. Okay, so I have a video which explain everything about this. Okay, so I'll let you know the link. All right, so this one is for cos and this one is for all the ratios, all the angles here. So this one is for sine, this one is for tan. Okay, so let's find the acute angle. So 0, 90, 180, 270, and then we are back to one complete revolution. Okay, so 750. So 750, we have one complete revolution plus another one. So 360 plus 360. So let's start. So angles are measured in anti-clockwise direction. So under this, so we have, so this one is one complete revolution, 360, and this one is 750. So 360 plus 360, you have 0, you have 720 plus 30 to make it 750. So the 30 will be the acute angle. So let's do another one. Another one. So we have this, okay, that is 720. So 720, we now measure the acute angle, that is the remaining 30 degrees. Okay, so it falls here. Okay, that is the 30 degrees. Okay, and let's look at the quadrant. So it falls here, and for this quadrant all the angles are what? Positive. So with this, tan 750 is the same as tan 30 degrees. Okay, you can verify on the calculator. So this one is got that. So tan 30 has been expressed as an acute angle. All right, so that's that.